How to change lock screen wallpaper automatically. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, changing lock screen automatically means using dynamic wallpaper in your lock screen. So to do so, first tap and hold your home screen and then go to wallpaper and style. After that, go to lock screen wallpaper services. Then you will see an option of dynamic lock screen. Simply enable it. In order to change the pictures, go to settings and then select the one that you want to be displayed in your lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.